Hey everybody, this is Brad over at Lee Myles off of Lancaster Avenue in Reading, PA. Just want to share with you something we've been working on at the shop here. So we have a 2015 BMW X6 3.0 liter turbocharged engine. This customer's concern was check engine light, and also he felt a lack of power while driving the vehicle. So we found a couple codes in the engine computer, all related to the turbocharger, more specifically to the wastegate. So if you have codes such as a 120408, a 123401, or a 123432, those are the codes that we were working on here on this BMW. So after we took a look at everything, we actually found this. Now this is the old turbo. We've already replaced it with a new one. We found that the wastegate is actually loose inside of the turbocharger. The body of the turbocharger wears out and causes a boost leak. So after putting in the new turbocharger, restoring the correct amount of boost to the turbo, we're able to solve this issue, clear the codes, car drives awesome. So we did this with factory BMW parts, and we were able to save our customer quite a bit of money that it would have cost to have done at the dealer. So we can do a similar repair for you if you need it.